Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm at the Manjaga Bay, located in the south part of Labuan Bajo. It takes around 30 minutes with the boat and also maybe 1 hour with car. So Manjaga Bay has several villas. They said there are 21 villas in this area, and they have a restaurant and also swimming pool. You can book the villas to stay in your holiday in Labuan Bajo, and also maybe you would like to just doing a short visit to enjoy some food, or would like to swim in their swimming pool. Maybe you can just come here. So today we have a half-day trip to Rinca Island, and we have a chance to visit this beautiful resort. And yeah, our guest is still in the restaurant and having their food, which is really great. So it's easy to get here with the boat, and this is also very calm, the perfect place to stay for everyone if you are willing to stay in calm and remote areas in Labuan Bajo. So just come to Manjaga Resort. This is the surroundings. So great place. Hope to see you one day here. Thank you. Bye bye.